The true world is not the one we see on the surface. It is not the world of our senses. The true world is the world of our thoughts, our feelings, and our experiences. The true world is often hidden from us. We are so focused on the external world that we forget about the internal world. But the internal world is just as real as the external world. It is even more real because it is the world that we create. The thoughts we think, the feelings we feel, and the experiences we have create our reality. If we want to change our reality, we need to change our thoughts, our feelings, and our experiences. This is not easy. It takes time and effort, but it is possible, and it is worth it. When we change our thoughts, our feelings, and our experiences, we change our reality. We create a new world for ourselves, a world that is more beautiful, more peaceful, and more fulfilling. So I challenge you to start creating your own true world. Start by paying attention to your thoughts, your feelings, and your experiences. Start to see how they are creating your reality, and then start to change them. It won't be easy, but it is possible, and it is worth it.